Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mia Juniady. In this video, I would like to tell you about my assignment, the short story, and the title is The Open Booth. Okay? Before that, I want to show you the intrinsic element of prose. The first is main character. The main character in this story, the open book, are cook, oiler, caption, and the correspondent. Okay guys, you can see the character on the PPT. Yes, oiler, cook, captain, and correspondent. Okay guys, the next is about the analysis plot. Okay, the first is orientation. There are 4 men in a lifeboat after shipwreck, and this is the racing action. The racing action in this story is 4 men are lost on the ocean in a tiny boat with crazy waves, and they are trying to reach land soon or be rescued. Okay guys, the next is about climax and falling action. You can see, I think it is clear about climax and falling action. And the next is about, resolution. The correspondent, cook, and captain are recused but realize that the oiler has drowned. Okay, next. We discuss about the conflict in this story. There is internal conflict and external conflict. Okay, it is external conflict, and the next slide is about internal conflicts. Okay guys, the next is about setting. Okay, wait a moment guys. Okay, the setting takes place in ocean after a period of couple behavior. They reach in this island near Florida. Okay, this is the theme. And the last is about plot summary. You can zoom my PPT guys. Okay, and the last is about moral value. I think now, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.